Welcome children to Bright Beams Academy. We learn addition and subtraction on an abacus in my previous videos. In this video, we will learn to draw a number line and addition using number line. So be ready with your book and pencil. Along with book and pencil, you will need a ruler also. First, draw a straight line using a ruler. Then draw arrows on both sides. Now, write numbers 0 to 10, keeping equal distance between two numbers. If you write 1 and 2 here and 3 and 4 here, it is not correct. The distance between 1 and 2 should be equal to distance between 2 and 3 and so on. Now, let's solve one word problem using a number line. Do you submit your assignments on time? Our friend Alex completed his assignments and submitted on time. So his math sir gave him 5 stars and science teacher gave him 3 stars. How many stars did Alex get in all? We are asked to find out stars in all. So, we need to put together 5 stars and 3 stars. So, we need to do addition. Let's solve. Draw a number line with the help of a ruler and write the numbers 0 to 10 at equal distance. We need to add 5 and 3. First, find number 5 on the number line. After finding, circle number 5. Now how will we add number 3? We will take 3 jumps after number 5. Children, jumping means going to the next number. So keep your pencil on number 5 and start taking 3 jumps. First jump, we need to go only one number ahead. So jump on 6. Now second jump on 7 and third jump on 8. By jumping 3 times, we reach to number 8. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. So Alex got 8 stars in all. Understood, children? So this is for your practice. Do it and check your answer in my next video. Before leaving, check the answer of word problem given in my last video. Give a nice tick if you have done it correctly. Thanks, children. Do like, subscribe and mail your queries or feedback to Bright Beams Academy.